All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a good one for you. This is going to be a pretty lengthy series. We've got my mentor Jack's 68 Chevelle in here, and as you guys can tell, we've got a whole lot of sheet metal. We're pretty much going to back half the whole car with fresh sheet metal, and we're going to do some firewall work, trunk pan, floor pan. We're gonna do some custom tubs in here, custom firewall, delete some drip rails, all that good stuff. But for now, what we're gonna start with, and in this video, what I'll show you guys is I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting off drip rails and removing the drip rail that can come off with screws. And then we'll go ahead and start getting these quarters off, getting ready to put the new quarters on, and then kind of just work our way around there, guys. I have literally everything. I have quarters, package tray, tail light pan, trunk floor, everything we're gonna need I've got already. So now it's time to just start doing demo, guys. So put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll come back to you guys and show you some of the parts and how bad they are as I progress throughout the project. But this will be a multi-series, guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for this one. And so, guys, just to give you guys a little idea, like, this is kind of what we're working with. It's in pretty bad shape. I mean, we've got rust up in this corner up here of the windowsill, up here as well. This is kind of typical areas that these cars get rust. The trunk pan was pretty bad, so they went ahead and cut it off. But I mean, you got rust all around the fender wells, guys. He's got pretty much all of the sheet metal. We're not going to do the doors. He's got doors for it. He's got new fenders. But up in the front, guys, we've got some like patch panels that were just riveted in. So we're going to do some custom stuff up here. Go ahead and repair some of this rust. And yeah, let me walk you around to this side. There's the floor pan, guys, for the trunk. And let's see. Down over here, we got some ugliness. These, you guys, are the new quarters from Auto Metal Direct. The guys at AMD always hooking it up. So yeah, let's get to cutting, you guys. All right, you guys, so pretty much got our quarter panels off. We have obviously a 1-inch little seam around the edge. This whole panel is gonna get replaced, but I don't wanna compromise the structure by cutting it all apart just yet. Jimmy's working on this side, and we're going ahead and splitting the roof from the from the quarter panel. Next, we'll go ahead and cut the drip rail off, get that cleaned up. I'll take you guys to my side where I've already got the front of the door taken off. I need to put the piece back in here, which I'll get around to that. I got some rocker panel work I got to do, but I went ahead and already started stripping the drip rail down. So what I'm going to do from here, guys, is I'm going to run some little some tacks all the way down here to about right here, because we still need to get the lead seam out of this side. So once we do that, then I can we can put the new quarter on and I can get all that buttoned up. But lots of progress, guys, lots of dirt, lots of junk. I'm covered in dust, and yeah. So I still need to cut this one down right here, but I want to focus on getting this back together as one piece first. So that's what I'm up to, guys. Jimmy's going to keep tearing away on that side, and I'll be back with an update. All right, guys, so I got the passenger side drip rail pretty wrapped up. I still need to do some work up in here, but overall, it looks pretty damn slick. A couple of little spots where I had some porosity burned through. I gotta fix those, but this is gonna give you the basic shape of what it will look like. So guys, update now. The taillight panel is off. The quarter is off. Jimbo was working on this side right here while I was getting my hair cut. The package tray is about to come off. Jimbo's been working on this bad boy for a good solid hour and a half, getting her done, dude. She's coming along. We're gonna turn it into a hatchback now. Just kidding, guys. We're gonna get all the original panels back on that we need and get her dialed. Good day, guys. Look at all this scrap. These are my new boys, my new quarters. Whew. Things are moving along, guys. All right, you guys, we got some progress. Let me zoom it out. So we got driver's side drip rail pretty much wrapped up. Obviously, you still need to do this section right here, but the hard part is done. And as we go around to the other side, this side is done as well. Again, same thing, need to go ahead and trim this. Then let's see what else, guys. We got the quarter panel completely removed, the package tray completely removed. We found out that we were missing a couple of parts, so we went ahead and ordered those. Those will probably be here sometime next week, but that works out perfect for us because we can go ahead and start pulling the front clip apart. Let me get to the front, guys. start pulling the front clip apart, and I can go ahead and start working on firewall. That'll take me a couple of days. And yeah, other than that, guys, there's a whole lot of destruction and damage and madness that went down today, but we'll get this all figured out. There's a big cut right here, obviously, where they did some sort of drag tire or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. We're doing big tubs in it anyways because this is gonna get like a 305 series tire. So we'll go ahead and form that the way we need to so we can go ahead and put a big tub in there, but too easy. There is a little bit of rocker panel damage that I'm gonna have to go ahead and fix and address. So when we get to that point, we will do that. But yeah, guys, I pretty much have all the parts I need. And today is Wednesday, the night before Thanksgiving. And yeah, so I'm gonna go enjoy it with some family and some friends. And then we'll be back to work on Friday. So hope you guys enjoy the video, guys. Again, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. I tell you guys every video, you know, cool content coming up. This is a big metalworking project, and this is a pretty slick car. I know most people are fans of the 70 Chevelle, but the 68 still has its rarity, so I like it. I'm excited, and I can't wait to keep moving on this thing and get some new metal on it. Make it look like a car again, guys. So have a good one, guys. I will put another update video on this one soon, so stay tuned.